Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel a Petco membership on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Petco app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your account, please look for Vital Care. Tap on it. This opens your membership details. Scroll down on the membership page. Look for a cancel membership in membership or manage membership. Tap on cancel membership. Petco may ask you to choose a reason for cancelling. Select any reason and tap confirm or submit. You should now see a message saying your membership is cancelled. Your membership benefits may continue until the end of your current billing period. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to cancel your Petco membership on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.